Hello kids, today we are going to learn alphabet. Let's start. Hello kids, let's fun. A. Alphabet A. Wow. Nice Scotty. Wow, here is A. Wow. What is? This is alphabet A. Nice car. Wow. Wow. A for apple. Let's put A alphabet A. Here is will be alphabet A. Oh no, sorry kids. Here is alphabet A. After A will be B. Let's fun kids. Fun. Wow, nice horse. What is this kids? This is what? This is horse. One horse alphabet B. Wow, nice horse. Wow. Wow. What is this kids? This is alphabet B. This is alphabet B. B for ball. B for ball. Let's put B, alphabet B. Here will be B. Wow, nice. After alphabet B, C. Here will be C. Let's find it, kids. Wow, nice car. On the car, alphabet C. Here is alphabet C. Wow, nice. What is this, kids? This is alphabet C. This is alphabet C. Let's put it, kids. Alphabet C. After C will be here D. D. Let's find it D. Wow. Wow, nice car, nice. What is this? This is fish. Wow. Wow. Look like pretty. Wow, wow. One fish, alphabet D. What is this? This is alphabet D. Let's put it on alphabet chart. This is alphabet D. D for dog. After D, alphabet will be E. Let's find it. Let's fun. Wow. Nice bird. Wow. Wow. What is this? This is alphabet E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Let's put on alphabet chart. E for elephant. After E, alphabet will be F. Wow, nice helicopter. One helicopter. Wow. One helicopter, alphabet F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. G. This is alphabet G. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. After G will be H. Here will be H. This is alphabet H. H for hand. H for hand. Here will be H. After H will be I. This is alphabet I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Oh, after I, alphabet will be here J. This is alphabet J. J for joker. J for joker. Nice. Alphabet J. After will be K. This is alphabet K. K for kite. K for kite. Wow. After K, alphabet will be here L. Alphabet L. This is alphabet L. L for lion. Wow. After L will be alphabet M. This is alphabet M. M for monkey. M for monkey. After M will be alphabet N. This is alphabet N. N for nest. Wow. After N will be O. This is alphabet O. O for ox. O for ox. Here will be O. After O will be P. This is alphabet P. P for peacock. P for peacock. After P will be Q. This is alphabet Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. After Q, alphabet will be R. This is alphabet R. R for rose. R for rose. After R will be alphabet S. S for sun. S for sun. After S will be alphabet T. T for telephone. T for telephone. After T will be U. This is alphabet U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. After U will be V alphabet. This is alphabet V. V for van. V for van. After V will be W. W for watch. W for watch. After W, alphabet will be X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. After X, alphabet Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. After Y, alphabet will be Z. Z for zebra.